Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I have for you a cleaning motivation video. What is happening over here? I'm actually recording this partially because I need motivation to clean. We have guests coming over, guests arriving in a couple of days. It is now Sunday, which means that my only time to clean would be in the evening after work, which I still will need to use because they're arriving on Wednesday afternoon/evening, and I would say there's quite a bit that could be cleaned up. So yeah, I just thought, okay, I'm gonna record this, I'm gonna motivate myself, maybe motivate you. Let's do this together, and we're gonna start in the hallway. Okay, there's a lot happening here. This is, for example, my station for when I go cycling in the morning to get the train. But these things stay because I'm using them every day. The glove for this is on the floor, but that's going to be to wash. This needs to go in the carriage. This luggage and this backpack need to go to the attic. Hope you can see me. Maybe I'll lower it a bit as well. Okay, here I have a whole basket of winter stuff, which I think it needs a refresh. And to be put away. Same with these things, also winter scarves. Let's see, the jackets on here, I think they can all stay. I need to hang these two up. For now at least. Let's see what is up there. This is my boyfriend's winter stuff. This is for his bike. This can also be washed. Okay, a little update. I got my boyfriend to help me because there were some spiders and other things. But this is cleared up. Things are taken away from here. We kind of vacuumed a bit, wiped it. And I took scarves, hats, gloves, these kind of things. And that we don't need anymore, like winter ones, upstairs. Some are to put away, some are to wash. I was just gonna have a quick look in these to see if there's anything that needs to be decluttered, but normally not. I have like hand creams, lip balms, purse hooks, stuff for car wash. So for now this is good. I'm just doing like general clean and not super detailed decluttering. That's for a different day. Okay, so here's my box with some winter stuff, and I'm gonna add here some scarves. Definitely the ones I did not wear. They just need, they all smell fine as well. No dusty smell. I hope they can all fit here. Let's see. What's this? Shove it a bit. Will it all fit? I hope so. Maybe this one on top. Yes, one box empty. I feel like I need one more of these because we still have some other winter things. Okay, bathroom. We have a lot of things. I'm gonna take the winter jackets and I'm gonna refresh them so they can dry, and then we can put them away. I checked, this one has to be on 30 degrees, so I'm gonna put it on like 30 degrees in like 20 minutes, and I'm also gonna throw in like winter hats and stuff like that. So let me do that. I'm gonna grab a color catcher just in case, maybe two of them, and I'm gonna use this, not a pot, so there's no too much foam. bit. And no scent, I think. Or maybe a little bit of like a fresh one. No, that's more than enough. And I always zip them up before I put them in the laundry and check all the pockets, of course. Check how dirty this one actually looks. Okay. 1, 2. Checking all pockets. It's actually already quite full, so I'll just add black laundry. So actually the color catcher is not needed, so I'll take them out. Or one. Okay, both of them. Okay, it's full. Yes. Makeup everywhere here. It's beige, so you can't see it. That's the good thing about it. Okay. This will be the color note. That's a towel. That needs to go with a different load. And the time has come to finally wash my boots. Let me just move the makeup sponge just a bit out of the way. This I need to do in a sec. But it's time to clean these. And then I can put them on this to dry, and this also needs to be washed in a bit. So all good. I'll just do like a damp cloth, warm water, and we'll see how it goes. This is like one of the jobs I really don't like to do, like cleaning shoes after the season is over. I really don't like that. That's also why I've been putting this away for so long. But the time has come. They've been gathering the dust for way too long. I'll do the outside first quickly to get the layer of dirt off, dust, and I'm gonna move on to proper cleaning. Of course, I'm starting with the easiest ones to clean. Next one, let's do these ones. These are actually more dirty, which makes sense because I've worn them a lot more. Okay, good enough. And the last pair. And yes, my sink also needs a wash, but that's not what we're doing right now. We're washing the shoes. I wouldn't wash the sink first and then wash my shoes in it. That's double work, which we're not doing in this house. Okay, this time maybe we'll need a magic eraser for the rubber part. It's not exactly coming off. Beige shoes are nice, but they get dirty fast. And it's like, yeah, super visible. Let's try this. It's kind of working. It's eating all of the magic eraser though. So, not sure if I want to flush that. Not sure if it's worth it, to be honest, because the magic eraser is disintegrating. Feel like it's a bigger mess. Then it's worth it. I mean, this is trash. This is horrible. Okay, let me grab something. Okay, let's try Cif. I don't recommend it, but it's my last hope. But it's your own responsibility if you do it, because this is kind of strong product. But it works. Gonna try to avoid the leather. Should probably wear gloves, but oh well. I mean, you can tell the difference. Clean, not clean. Just to show you the difference, I think in this light maybe it's going to be better. Do you see the difference? You should be. Yeah, the bottom one is clean, or cleaned up. The front maybe I still need to do. It's a lot better. And that's what I was going for. Okay, I'll try still here in the front of it. Right, this is done, so I'm gonna take out the dark winter jackets and a few, yeah, there we go, few smaller dark pieces. This one is empty, so I'm gonna just close it. Come on, close. There we go. I'm gonna wash it off. Okay, time for a new soup. Oh, this way. There we go.